Hey guys, it's Issac again. Did a car wash today, Bikini car wash, trying to make some money. Trying to put together a film next at the end of the year. So what better way to raise money as a car wash?
Yeah, let's drive it on it like this.